What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine's World, and I want y'all to come with me as I do this amino acid treatment. And y'all, I'm really excited to be showing you guys this because this is one of my favorite treatments up to this day, I would really say, because it has so many great benefits for us natural girls. It's just really a good product. But before I get into that, if you haven't already done so, go ahead and like and subscribe if you are interested in content like this. I will be doing a lot more of these type of videos, so go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. All right, move on. So, a lot of people get an amino acid treatment confused with the keratin treatment. And although I'm not going to go deeply into it, I'll just quickly go through some differences. The amino acid treatment and keratin treatment both are smoothing treatments, but the amino acid treatment is much lighter on the hair. And of course, it has no formaldehyde. But I would say that really it differs. The keratin and the amino differ because the amino acid treatment is more short term. It lasts about 2 to 3 months, and it doesn't change the structure of the hair like a keratin treatment does. But even if you look, you can see her curl pattern here. As I'm applying the treatment, you can see her hair is curly, and then after I rinse the treatment, you'll see that her hair pattern, her hair curl is still the same. It's still there. However, it does help elongate that curl pattern. So when she's wearing her hair curly, it's a lot more manageable. Well, not even if she's just wearing it curly, but when she goes home to wash her hair or to deal with her hair, comb through her hair, all of these things, it is a lot more manageable. And that moisture gets locked in the hair. Her curl pattern is still very much intact, but it minimizes the frizz. So her styles look better, everything looks smoother. For my straight girls, the silk presses last much longer, and we are here in Texas. I am in Round Rock, Texas, which is right outside of Austin, Texas. And when I tell you it is humid here, so a lot of the times my silk press girls will want to wear their hair straight, but they, may be worried about the humidity or being active at the gym, and it really just helps to minimize the frizz so their hair does not revert. Okay, so let's pause real quick. Let's look at this shine in her hair. Look at how her hair is glistening. Look how smooth and soft her hair is right now. Her curl pattern is still there, but it is elongated. So when she is washing her hair at home, this is a lot better. Look at that. Curls still there, right? So we just gonna add some additional like leave-in and some oils on there before we get to styling her hair. But y'all, I love this treatment. It is just one of my favorites. It is really one of my favorites right now. And like I said, all of my clients love it. But just to kind of get back into it, well, actually, if you haven't already done so, if you're liking what we're doing, what we're talking about, don't forget to like and subscribe. We will be coming with more content like this. And if you have any more questions about the amino acid treatments, let me know. Like, I am curious. Has anybody had this treatment before? What are your thoughts? How do you feel about it? And if not, if you're curious about it and you have some questions, ask me below. I am here to answer any questions. I think I might do more videos on this just to kind of show the differences for my clients. But yeah, y'all talk to me in the comments, all right? But anyway, so this treatment does last about 2 to 3 months, just depending on the client, depending on their routines and habits and their porosity, of course. But it's also good for color treated hair. It can also be used for people with relaxers or processed hair, previously processed hair. Yeah, so just in general, it is good for really everybody. My color clients, it doesn't alter the color of their hair, but it also helps to lock in and hydrate the moisture in the hair because, of course, treated hair, colored hair is more prone to dryness. So this helps to keep that moisture in the hair, lock that moisture in the hair, keeping that hair a lot more healthier. So there's just so many more benefits. But even you guys just looking at, you know, look how beautiful her hair is pressing out. I really wish I would have added like a before and after. And guys, I know you guys see steam coming from my straightener, but guys, I don't use anything over 375 for my clients. Okay, my irons do not go above 375, and just look how beautiful it is. And I'm not even taking like super small sections. So if you are interested in getting a treatment and you are local, guys, go ahead and hit that link below. I will have my products and everything added in the description below. But guys, look at her hair. Look how shiny. Look how beautiful that hair is. Just I'm in love, y'all. I'm in love. All right, so if you're interested in booking, or if you have any questions, chat with me. I'm here for y'all. Have a great day. Bye.